Welcome to the Vital PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create an inbound route in the Vital PBX phone system. To begin, log into Vital PBX. From the dashboard, click on PBX. Click on the Calls Routing tab. Then click on Inbound Routes from the dropdown. Type in a description for your route. In the DID pattern field, enter your DID number from Voxtelesys in the E164 format. Next, select your inbound destination, then select the location. Click on Save, then click on the refresh icon here. Congratulations! You've successfully set up an inbound route in the Vital PBX phone system. Check back for more helpful videos on Vital PBX as well as other helpful guides.